Okay, hi, mabuhay. Welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells, and I am Victoria. Oh my goodness. If you're hearing some noise, can you please just ignore it? And yeah, so today I'm going to share with you my Fort Ray Beauty haul. So if you want to know what I actually purchased from Fort Ray Beauty, stay tuned, keep on watching, and let's get started! Okay, guys, I'm kinda tired. It's actually 8:40 at night, and I'm filming this video because I know if I don't film this video now, I will not be able to upload any videos over the weekend. So never mind. So what is Fort Ray Beauty? Fort Ray Beauty is ColourPop's sister company. So they're more on the skincare range, while ColourPop is doing their makeups like eyeshadows, lipsticks, blush on, blah blah blah, and and I'm just noticing, yeah, it's a mess, it's okay. So I was able to get this on sale, and I'm quite excited because now I think the later part of 2019, I'm more into skincare. Yeah, so I'm going to share this with you. I got the seriously good serums, and I got this for 24 US dollars. It used to be $32 because they were having a sale. So inside is actually 4 serums, and I'm going to explain it to you all. Okay, let's take Reveal. So this is how it actually looks like. Reveal is a 10% alpha hydroxy acid serum. Um, if I'm going to use this, you're supposed to use this at night. It's supposed to refine, exfoliate, and resurface your skin, if it makes sense. The next is Radiate. Radiate is their vitamin C elixir. It helps for like glowing skin, brightening, illuminating, and usually for vitamin C, I'm using something with Melano CC. I'm using it, so I will not be using this yet. But for vitamin C, I usually use it in the morning. And remember, if you're using vitamin C, you're supposed to protect your skin, especially in the morning, so you have to wear SPF. Then one of my favorite skincare is actually Fort Ray Beauty would be Remedy, but this is a 10% niacinamide serum. So what is niacinamide for? It's for clarifying, balancing, and restoring. I'm currently using the ordinary niacinamide 10% plus zinc. I haven't like yeah, so I still have a lot. So I'll wait. I would not even buy like a backup. Oh, maybe I should, just in case. My notes, just in case, right? And last but not the least, another favorite skincare ingredient for Fort Ray Beauty is Remedy. It's the 2% hyaluronic acid serum, and this is for hydrating. And again, hyaluronic acid is one of my favorite. I'm actually using again the ordinary hyaluronic acid plus B5. So I'll finish this first, and then I'll use Fort Ray Beauty. Next is there. Oops, it's this. So I also got this set, which is Head in the Clouds. It used to be 35 US dollars, and now it's just 26. I got it for 26 US dollars. It's a face milk set. So usually face milk is something like a lightweight moisturizer. Can you replace it with your moisturizer? Again, it depends on you. I personally at night try to use like basic moisturizer, which I guess this is going to be good. Yeah. So first is, I will not open this to show you the texture just because I will not be using all of them at the same time. But the first one is watermelon. This is for balancing and moisturizing. It has watermelon seed. If I'm going to use this, I'm going to use it in the morning. It's supposed to restore moisture. It has antioxidants. It has vitamin A and E. It balances sebum production, and it has detoxifying properties. Then next is papaya. It's a revitalizing, moisturizing face milk. So it has papaya enzyme, which is, I'm just only telling you guys the main ingredient. So it has exfoliating properties. It helps lift away dead skin cells, improves overall skin texture and clarity. So if I'm going to use this, I'm going to use it at night because of their exfoliating properties. But I think you can also use it in the morning if you want to. If you wanted to. Next is turmeric. Again, it's moisturizing and illuminating. If you're going to use this, I'm going to use it either morning or at night. It has antioxidants and it also has calming benefits, especially for those people who suffers acne or redness or just overall sensitive skin. Next is the matcha face milk, which is an energizing, moisturizing face milk. Again, main ingredient is a matcha milk. It's supposed to energize the skin. It has phytonutrients, which is usually found in plants and can be beneficial for your skin. It has vitamins and minerals. And if I'm going to use it, I'm going to use it either in the morning or at night. Then, last but not the least, I don't know how to pronounce this. Is it acai? Okay, it's the acai or something. I'm not so sure. It's a moisturizing anti-pollution face milk, and acai is actually rich in antioxidants and fatty acids. So if I'm going to use this, I'm going to use this in the morning. So that's it. That's my haul from Fourth Ray Beauty. I'm excited to try them all. Unfortunately, not so soon because I need to finish all my skincare, and I'm actually loving my skincare. If you guys want me to show you how to actually layer skincare, let me know at the comment section below, or you want me to talk about ingredients and I'll explain to you what ingredients is important, what do they do for your skin, like when do you use it, how do you use it. Let me know in the comment section below because your grandma is into skincare nowadays, and I'm so happy because I finally found a skincare routine that actually works for me. And guess what? I'm even trying retinol nowadays. So yeah, if you want me to share with you my skincare routine at night or in the morning, how do I actually get ready, let me know in the comment section below. And have you tried any of the Fourth Ray Beauty skincare range? What was your favorite? How do you find it? Do you like it? Let me know. But I'm excited to try them. I'm actually going to incorporate one of the face milk now to my skincare routine at night. So yeah, if you like this type of videos wherein I share with you my hauls, give this video a big thumbs up and maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. So till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet. Bye!